Teachers and students have been rallying all around the country to protest potential cuts in funding as part of President Trump's agenda to overhaul the education system. Aziza Schuler shows you how the Philadelphia School District is fighting back.
The School District of Philadelphia Superintendent Dr. Tony Watlington began his week on Capitol Hill advocating to protect funding for Philadelphia public schools as the Trump administration looks to dismantle the Department of Education.
Any potential cuts could have significant impact on children and families.
Despite being the 8th largest school district in the country, Dr. Watlington says Philadelphia schools are historically underfunded. 10% of the district's revenue comes from the federal government. Dollars, he says, have been crucial for improvements in the education system.
We are seeing some significant return on investment. Student attendance is increasing, test scores are increasing, the graduation rate increasing, and our dropout rate is decreasing.
President Trump has argued that federal control of education has failed students, parents, and teachers. He believes shutting down the Department of Education would return power to states and parents. However, Trump would need congressional approval to eliminate the agency. Wendy Coleman, vice president of the Philadelphia Federation of Teachers, says this approach could be problematic.
Each governor, each politician can decide whether your school is worthy of, resources.
Resources such as supplemental instruction in low-income communities and specialized teachers for students with individualized education plans, also called IEPs.
And if we lose funding and the students are unable to get those things, I'm not sure how we help to bring children up to par so that they're equal with their peers.
President Trump says he plans to reassign issues relating to students with special needs to the Department of Health and Human Services. In the newsroom, Aziza Schuler, CBS News, Philadelphia.